Okay, so we had some power surges the other day. It broke my factory, whatever it came with, aerator for my septic system. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we're replacing it today. This is hardwired in right here, and this also has an alarm hose, which is going to make this alarm go off if it doesn't receive pressure from this little hose right here. So we're going to be hooking up all that stuff today. First thing I'm going to do, get this old one out. Okay, so I got this one out, and you can see I ran a little nylon string through here. What we're going to do, as I want to hardwire this one in as well, is I'm going to cut the plug off and split this back. Okay, I got my wire pulled back now, so just tie this around my little guide here. Nothing too fancy. Should pull it through, and there we go. So pull it through just like that. And if you don't have a little nylon string like I do, you can just guide it through yourself and take this thing off here and probably be able to get through. For my little green wire here, white wire is gonna go right here. And finally, all wired up. Now I'm gonna go down there and put the hoses on. So for this little tube right here, that's gonna tell your alarm to go off or not. You see this little Phillips head screw? We're going to take this off. We're going to put this little piece that it came with on here. That's going to go in there. Actually, I'm going to cut this off and make it fit nice and tight. You can see it's kind of frayed, kind of bulged. That'll take care of that. I'll have this nice tight connection. I'll take this old hose off and stick this on here. And a little bit of ingenuity. Alright, so it's all up and running now. I got it connected back in here. You see my light is not on. And that's what that hose, whenever you hook that hose up, it's going to let this know whether the aerator is working or not, and this light will go off and it'll be making a real loud beep sound, and my neighbors will call me and let me know that something's wrong out here. But you can see, not going off now, so everything's working tip-top. I can hear it humming down there, and our aerator's fixed. So if you need a replacement, this one was super easy to replace. Took me like 15-20 minutes maybe for the whole thing. And everything's working good again. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.